If you're a computer user, come, let me show you hidden features on your computer that you have never used. Before we get to it, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Don't forget to share. Welcome back to the channel. Today we share top features or hidden features that you have never used on your computer. Let's get to it. Before we get to it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Let's get straight to it. For those of us who like to add borders to images we have taken or screenshots on our computer, you can take advantage of the snipping tool on your computer. Just have to go to your start menu, type snipping tool, click on it. When it is opened, on the topmost right corner, click on settings, and once settings is open, scroll down and tap on add borders to each screenshot. Turn it on and a drop down menu will appear. When the drop down menu appears, adjust the size of the color you want on the image and the color you want to apply on the image to the size you want. Without the usage of any image editing software, you get it done as easy as possible and quickly. Try it out. Let me know how it feels like applying borders to your image without any image editing software. Let's look at the next one, Clipboard History. Clipboard History lets you access and reuse multiple items, text, images, links that you copied, not just the last one. Instead of losing your previous copy, when you copy something new, Windows stores them in a clipboard panel you can call up anytime. Let's take a look at how useful it can be to us. It can help us copy and paste multiple things without losing any. We can access recent items quickly using a shortcut, pin frequently used clips so that they don't get erased, and we can sync clipboard items across devices if you sign in with your Microsoft account. Let's take a look at how to use it. If it's not already turned on, go to your settings by clicking on your start menu, type settings, and on we go, or use the shortcut key Windows plus I. The settings window will open. Once open, go to the system menu on your sidebar, click on system, and then scroll down to locate clipboard. Click on clipboard and you will see that it is not turned on already. Turn it on if it's not on. Turn it on and make the most out of it. And if you want it shared across devices, click on get started, sign in with your ID, and then let's get on with it. Once clipboard is turned on, let's take an example. Open a Word document that has text in it, and let's take an example. Highlight the text to copy it. Highlight the text, press Ctrl plus C to copy the text. And for you to paste it on the clipboard history, all you do is press the Windows key plus V to paste it on the clipboard. Press the Windows key plus V and a small clipboard panel will be opened so that you see whatever you highlighted has been copied and saved on the clipboard for later reusage. And if you want it to stay permanently on the clipboard, you can click on the pin you see there and it will be saved permanently on the clipboard. Take a look at it. If you are looking to make the most of your computer with these hidden features in Windows 11 that you never used, this one is for you. Let's take a look at the first one. That's the focus session. Just as the name goes, focus session, to help you stay focused. If you are one of those people who gets distracted when you are working on your computer or when you are attending to mails or responding to mails, and other features or other things distracts you when you are using your computer, the focus session is for you. What is focus session? Focus session is a built-in Windows 11 feature located in the clock app.
It's designed to help you stay focused by using the Pomodoro technique, working in time intervals with breaks in between. It tracks your progress, integrates with Microsoft To Do for task management, and even plays music from Spotify to help you stay in the zone. Let's see how to access it. All you do is go to your settings by going to your start menu and type in settings. Click on it and it's open. Or you use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open your settings. Once you are there, locate the system section on the sidebar and locate focus. Click on focus and open it. This is the focus section you see there. You see start focus session and you see all those checked boxes that shows the timer in the clock app, hide badges on task app, hide flashing on task apps, turn on to do, turn on do not disturb. Yes, so as you see it, this is it. So all you do is set your timer and then you go ahead and do your work without any disturbance from any app. Tap on the start focus session and then the timer appears. If you set it to 30 minutes, you will not be disturbed for 30 minutes in that order, just as you want it. Try it out and let me know what you think. For those of us who have used Windows 10 for a long time, when you right-click a file or a folder, you see the full options menu or the full context menu. But in Windows 11, Microsoft introduced a simplified context menu so that when you right-click on a file, it only shows you fewer options by default. But when you want to see the full list of actions, to see the likes of open with, send to, rename, all you have to do is press and hold the shift key when you select the file and then right click. It lets you see the full context menu or the legacy context menu, which can also be called the full options menu. You see all of it rather than going to show more options so that you can see the full context menu. So try it out and let me know how it feels to get what you want quickly without following a lot of steps. The live caption feature is also a feature embedded in our Windows operating system that we hardly use. You can find it in settings. We have already understood that in order to access all that, you have to go to settings, and by doing it, you press your Windows key plus I to easily access it, and then on we go. So once settings is opened, go to your sidebar and select accessibility, and then scroll down and then locate captions. Once it is open, you'll be asked if you'd want to set up live captions. Click yes and continue setting up the live caption. Live captions automatically transcribe spoken audio into text that appear as captions at the top or bottom of your screen. It works system-wide, not just in media players, making it incredibly useful for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, noisy environments where you can't hear audio clearly, watching videos without headphones or volume, understanding strong accents or fast speech, live live online meetings or webinars. Let's take a look at how to enable it. We have already gone through it by going to settings, by pressing the Windows key plus I, the accessibility tab on the sidebar, select captions, and then we turn it on. Then we accepted that we want to set up live captions. Once it is turned on, you press the Windows key plus Control plus L to get it to work for you just as you want it. For the first time you set it up, Windows may download a small speech recognition file. After that, it works perfectly offline. The caption area can be set up on the top of your screen or below the screen. All you do is click on settings on the on the section area on the reading area like this. Follow my mouse pointer. Click on position and position it wherever you want it, at the top or at the base. Try it out and let me know how it feels like in the comment section. The search bar on your Windows 11 machine supports calculations rather than using the calculator embedded on Windows 11. All you do is click on your start menu and start typing your math equations, press enter, and your calculation is done for you. If you are the type that loses your mouse pointer anytime you want to use your computer, this one is for you. It's the mouse pointer and touch feature on your Windows 11 machine. It lets you resize or customize your mouse pointer so that it can easily be seen. It is a feature that lets you customize your mouse pointer size, color, and appearance, and improve touch input settings, especially useful for tablets. Let's take a look at how to activate the mouse pointer and touch feature and customize it to suit our preference. All you do is locate it in settings. We already know that you press the Windows key plus I to quickly open the Windows 11 computer settings. Locate accessibility on the sidebar and then select mouse and touch feature. Once you click on mouse and touch feature, you see the mouse pointer style and its settings over there. So right here, you can customize it to the size you want, how you want your mouse size to be, and then you can customize it and give it a color. You can use mouse pointer indicators or you can use mouse pointer trails so that at every point in time you will be able to easily locate where your mouse pointer is to help you do your work and ease your stress. For those of us who are always found on a public network, make it difficult for others, fraudulent people, from accessing your computer by turning on this feature, random hardware addresses. It changes the MAC address of your computer at regular intervals. Let's see how to turn it on. Go to settings and on the sidebar tap on network and internet, click on Wi-Fi and then turn on random hardware addresses. On Windows 11, it supports tabs on File Explorer or tabs. All you do is either click on the plus sign or you press Ctrl plus T to access a new tab. Try it out. For those of us who already know that you can do voice typing on your Windows 11 machine, yes, this is more like a refresher. But for those who don't know, you can do voice typing on your computer. All you have to do is, let's use Microsoft Word. Once it is open, you open a new window ready to type. You press the Windows key plus H to ask your computer to listen to whatever you are saying and then type as you speak it out. You select the Windows open file, press the Windows key plus H, and Windows will start listening to whatever you are saying and listen to it. Whatever I'm saying is going to be written. Welcome to Make the Most TV, the ultimate guide to help you make the most of your smart devices and computers. Are you struggling to get things done using your computer or a smart device? If you are one of them, you subscribe to Make the Most TV and let's learn together each week. We upload and publish tech related content and smart tips that you can use to make the most or make productive use of your computer. So stick around for more. You can also add punctuations by going to settings. Once you go to settings, turn on automatic punctuations, and that is it. Whatever sentence you read to your Word document, wherever there has to be commas or punctuations, it will be done for you as easy as possible. If you found these tips helpful, do give me a thumbs up and share for others to enjoy these hidden features so we all make the most of our smart devices.
Thanks guys for having time to watch this video. What is your take on the hidden features we showed you on your computer? If you liked any of them or tried your hands any of them, put your comments in the comment section and give me a thumbs up so that each time we vibe, each time we learn new tech tips so we can make the most of our smart devices and improve upon our productivity. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.